Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading. So you might be interested in that.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Looks like Bitcoin's close yesterday, which was a Hammer Doji. This is a bullish formation that shows that we are at the bottom of a downtrend. So we should have a few days of upside. Not sure how intense it will be or anything else, but usually this candle formation shows that we're having a temporary reprieve from our downside. This was a bullish candle, but obviously we erased it the next day. But now we've got a second chance at another solid bullish candle at the bottom. So hopefully this will be our reversal. And here we are moving up a little bit today, which is great. So I just wanted to confirm that we are in the yellow zone. The 50 is trading above the 100. And the 100 is moving down at a rapid pace, but it's going to level off very soon. We're still putting June 9th into the average. And so once we remove these three candles from our average, our new average will take into consideration the 13th on, and things will start to flatten out very quickly. So once we've got both of those averages consolidating, we have a pretty decent chance of starting to find levels above that. So I figured I'd take just a second and see where those levels are. So I've just downloaded the last 100 days. You can see how the numerical count is 100. And the average right now is 21,635. We'll see if that makes sense. So at the very top of my chart, it's a little hard to see, but it's this red number right here once I get out of the screen. So it's 21,635, very small to see. But let's just say we go sideways for 3 days. So I'll copy this, copy this for 3 days. And then we will take that average and take out these 3 days that are above the 22,000 area. So the 29 goes away, the 28 goes away, the 26 goes away, and we are averaging in our current price 3 times. So our new average is 21,400. So this is where we're going to see our little L, our little hockey stick flattening out area. So right here, looks like we've been dropping about $100 a day. So that is in line. Once this close happens, so our most recent close is 21,700. This will close tonight in 8 hours. It might be roughly 21.6, 21.5, and 21.4. So right right about there is where the 100 will level off. So we're now within striking distance of this. I just have a suspicion that if we get a close above the 100 and the 50, that we will start gaining some traction. And I don't know how long it'll take, and I'm not sure what we have to wrestle through to get there, but this could happen in a matter of a couple of bars. If this is our bottoming candle and we can have 3 days up, we may start touching it by next week even. So pretty interesting developments. It's fun to watch everything kind of play out. So yeah, just watching and waiting. That's the name of the game on most of this. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum had a drop again yesterday, even though Bitcoin had a bullish close. And we're going to see what this candle looks like by end of day. But yeah, I didn't like our close yesterday. Our close with the body very close to these bottoms is not pretty. So I'm hoping that, yeah, I don't know. I think that there's probably a greater than 51% chance that we go down. But if Bitcoin stops losing steam, it can sometimes carry the market. So we'll just kind of have to be patient on that one too. Oh, one quick check-in. I wanted to show you a couple of other things. If I go to the weekly chart, you can see how we've done kind of a sideways consolidation. And most recently, I've been watching some of these levels on the downside. We'll have to see how this plays out. I don't believe this is a descending triangle, but there's not quite enough information. Crossing this line will help a lot. But I was looking at the monthly chart, even though we still have 2 weeks, like we're in mid-month. So this chart, it has nothing. It's not going to be a, we're obviously probably not going to close here. But we had this strong move down, a weak attempt to move up in July. June or August erased all of our gains. What we've done so far this month is do a whole lot of indecision. And, the rest of the month still needs to play out, but it kind of speaks to where we are. This green line is the 50-month moving average. And on the weekly chart, it looks like we rejected off of that. We rejected off it right here. But on the monthly, it almost looks like if we were to close here, this would actually be pretty positive because we have an indecision candle at the bottom of a giant drop. And especially with all of the bullish or the bearish structure here, if it became a big nothing burger, it would actually be really helpful to the bull case. So interesting to kind of zoom out sometimes and see where things are. We'll see, obviously where this closes in 2 weeks, but thought it might be interesting to see how the first half of our month has played out. Okay, so that should do it for that. I did have some news. Anchor had this wild run. And once we got back to the red zone, I told you yesterday I was looking for an exit, and I was able to get it. So I wanted to update you with the trading progress on my channel. So ever since starting this channel, these are the returns, and they're all documented with which coins. So Anchor, I invested $1,026.95, and it gave me back an additional $1,645.74. So it was 160% return. This is more in line with what we are planning on seeing in the future once markets start warming up a little bit. All of this is just sideways. This is just sideways. My beautiful Ethereum miss was the cause of our negative, but we're just about out of there. We're about to break even again, which is cool, but just a matter of time before these things go. We just need a little bit more bullish news from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Every time they sell off, the rest of the market gets hit pretty hard. So if we can get some stability. Yeah, most of the market today is pretty happy to have a break from Bitcoin and Ethereum melting down, and so we have lots of green, nothing huge. So it'll be interesting to see if tomorrow's a bigger day and we can play off of the momentum that I'm seeing. couple of other things. We entered a trade on Link and XRP. Link looks really nice. We're finally starting to get above the 50 again and start to move up a little bit. You can really see the impact of the sideways consolidation here though. But I love the price action above the 50 and 100 here. XRP is really doing an odd thing. It just had this random monster day of 8.88%, and now today we're having a follow-up. So I'm not sure how much more strength we'll have here, but we're getting quite a few closes above the 50 and 100 here. So some of this will kind of be an indication of what may happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum once we get there. Well, Ethereum's already there, but so very, very cool. Just watching some of these. Let's see. Luna is rejecting off of the 20, and I'm not sure. I was hoping to see if Luna would get up to about 40 or 45 and then have a bull trap, and then I was going to reshort, but I'm not sure if we'll get there or not. We'll have to check in next week to see. And I think that's pretty much everything out on the markets. Just really cool to see Bitcoin not dying anymore. It'd be nice to get above 20,000 again and kind of reset everybody. But yeah, we're totally in sideways consolidation land right now, and we'll see where things are. I hope everybody enjoys their Sunday tomorrow, and we'll catch everybody on Monday.
Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.